So hey guys, just look at this before and after clip. I have just face swapped this before clip, and in after clip you can see the accuracy, see the detail. Like nobody will ever see that I have created this fake, right? So in this today's video I'm gonna show you how I have exactly performed it, and I'll show you the AI tools which I have used from scratch. So let's start with downloading it. So at very first you will get the link in the description, direct link of Pinokio. This software you have to download it first. Okay, so download it accordingly if you have Linux or Windows or Mac. So I'm downloading it for the Windows, and I'll keep this video very short, and I'll keep this video totally raw because I know that you guys are smart, and on the main options I'll explain you because it's not that much big deal though. Okay, so after installing this Pinokio, just you have to do is you have to just extract it if you wanna and run the setup and then download this file finally. Like I'm really saying you, nobody will ever say that this face tool videos which you will create, that those are fake. Like literally it takes up to 5 to 10 minutes to export a single video, but the accuracy which it holds, it's extremely amazing. So after installing this Pinokio software, you can see that here FaceFusion 3.2.0. okay, you can see like you can get various softwares here, and in the further video I'll tell you about that, and let's explore it bit more. Like we get various options here, and after downloading this software, this will be your interface. Okay, so what you have to do is just scroll it once and check all the softwares. Like if you get FaceFusion rather than this, and I'm downloading this because this is the latest version. So as you can see, after clicking on download, you have to install it, and while installing it may take up to an hour to download. Okay, like I will be fast forwarding this part a lot because it is dependent on your PC, like how much files you have pre-downloaded before or not. But even though if it's not, that's not a big deal though, and don't worry, I have shown you how to download it, and as you can see I have downloaded it. You can get a approx URL here. As you can see, after installing it you will get this kind of URL, and you have to click it and you will be open in this way. Okay, now in the second option I'll show you that how you can access this tool from directly web. If you are facing any problems in downloading it, no problem. So just go to this website called Mimic PC and click on free launch and start your own account. Okay, and after starting your account, as you can see, there is the FaceFusion named section. Okay, you will find it and just click on quick start. So what is the major advantage in this is you can directly access this tool on the web in just few minutes. Like you don't need to download it, but only the thing is you can only access it for 30 minutes. Okay, there is a time limitation, and as I said, this app takes like 5 to 10 minutes for a single export. Like if you're lucky, then it can even take less than it, but it's worth it for real. I'm saying, without watermark, up to 4K quality, and you can modify many things here. So don't worry, like the use of this software is pretty much simple. So let it have a launch first, and then I'll show you the exact process how you can face swap any of your videos, guys. But just keep this thing in mind, you don't have to use it for the wrong purpose. Okay, you don't have to use it for the wrong purpose. So make sure that you're using it for your own creativity and your own workflow in which you need this tool. Okay, so basically this much options you get, but don't worry, only 2 to 3 options we are going to focus on, which is target and source. Okay, so basically what does this target and source means? Target is the video file, your main video file in which you have to face swap. Okay, now as you can see, this was the main video file on which I have to face swap, and then I'm uploading it here. And what is the source? Source is the face of the character which you have to insert in that video, right? So basically I am taking this sample pic. Okay, I don't need the different type of comments under this video. Just understand this is a sample pic, as the video was a sample of female, so I took this pic. But no problem at all. As you can see, you get many of options here, like face swapper, age modifier, face enhancer and all, and you also get lip syncer here. So at very first you can see, as we have selected the face swapper option, see the preview, like your face has already been swapped. Okay, and even though if it's not showing in the preview frame, don't worry. What you have to do is, as you can see how much accurately he has face swapped this, right? And this is extremely awesomeness. Okay, so just after selecting that option, click on the start button and your whole face is swapped. But don't worry at all, because it's not only a single option. This is extremely a gold mine. Okay, and rather than this option, let me tell you one more option. Even though if you have face swapped your video, you can also increase or decrease the age of your character in this, right? Like you get the option as age swap there, right? I don't know what the option is, but let me clear this part first. It's kind of downloading here. Okay, I'll tell you that option, but first let it download, right? So I have fast forwarded this video part here, and as I mentioned, it took me like 10 minutes to export this video, but it was worth it. And don't worry, I'll show you at the end of this video, okay, how the video is. As you can see how much accurately he has generated the whole video. Let me download it and you can also check the download size of it. Because of the quality, it's worth it. So yes, age modifier, this was the option I was speaking about. What you can do is you can modify the age of your character from this. As you can see, I'm increasing the age. She's getting older, and when you will just make it less, she'll become younger, right? This option is awesome. Well, according to me, what I'll suggest you is just use this face swapper, face enhancer, and if your video has any lip sync, you can use this option, lip syncer. Rest you don't have to touch any of the options. Okay, this software seems to be complicated, but it is not. It's really not. So just chill. As I mentioned, you used only 3 options if you wanna, which is face swap, lip sync if your video has any speaking action, or face enhancer you can use. And yes, this is our output video. Like just check, like yes, a few of the graphics it's